another video. I am Yasheka and this is
Freddy.
this is
Friday.
Ow.
I'm Friday.
So guys, today
I'm Freddy. So
And I'm
call
Nick.
me Freddy.
And I'm Teddy. Hello.
Freddy. Anyway, guys, my real name is Paris. Not Freddy.
So today we will be having a Bulla eating competition.
yes.
For those who do not know what a Bulla is, it is a kind of pastry, a dough. It looks like
Bulla.
cake,
Bulla.
something like cake, right? You will see it more when we're eating it.
So we're gonna break the Bulla in half.
We're going to be eating half of a Bulla. And
See who can eat the fastest. And if I eat the fastest, I will do whatever I feel like to
if
do.
she eats it the fastest, she
I will
wins.
post it on my
She
Instagram.
wins a cup of water to wash it down.
No, if I win, I will post this on my Instagram story and just post it right now.
And a cup of water.
No, we can't just
Wash
keep
it.
the. So here we go, guys. We're gonna break the Bulla.
By the way, it's small Bulla.
Yes, that we don't choke.
So see that, guys? I want little Bulla still. And Mama Bulla we are tea. So we are ready. And don't start yet. She thief.
Me hungry.
Go hold it up. Hold it up. And you have to eat everything. Everything you have to done before you win. And if you can't go no more, the other step it. The other person win. Hold it up so here we go, guys. After three, for those who don't understand what 3 is. Stop that, not take it out of your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 3. We can't eat so water. If Mama ever get try, if Mama ever get try, it will Bulla. You know, Sammy I done first, right?
Então, meu que tá uma entrada por aí, a cara excluída.
You know what this one? No?
Cheese.
Piece of pear. And cheese. Kasi look like that for me. No, Mama.
So be careful.
You're kidding me. Mama, start eating. No, you're lie. You're lie, Paris. You're lie. Something must wrong with me today. I'm not winning. I'm gonna win. Guys, okay. So first round. It just hurt me.
We're done. Ha! Ha!
Oh God.
I'm done.
Mm-mm.
Boom. Me and drink that water there.
Milk like water. No.
We're not.
Oh my goodness.
We can eat fast.
Wow. Who win, guys? She win or me?
I need more water.
Must say. Oop there.
Let's push
Don't
down
have
the
to
Bulla.
uman Bulla. I should love our Bulla too.
Let's go back, mama. By the way, if Bulla come back up, me still win. Me still win.
Guys, just tell us in the comment who win, yeah?
Who you think win? When you watch
I
the
mean,
video,
win.
watch the video slowly.
Paris, you know, say you're that.
Me a criminal. Oh my god!
Thank you guys for watching. Guys, must say. So, remember we did tell her say, oh, she gonna start online school. It just start work out.
Wait.
But them a try them best still.
Before that, first of all, remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And remember to turn on the post notifications.
Never sneeze.
Oh my god!
Bye!